Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Capreol, Ontario, a historic railway town located in the northern part of Greater Sudbury. Founded in the early 20th century, Capreol grew quickly when the Canadian Northern Railway built a divisional point here. The town was named after Frederick Chase Capreol, an early Canadian railway promoter whose vision helped connect communities across the province. For decades, the railway was the heart of life in Capreol, providing jobs and shaping its identity. Today, the community blends its proud railway heritage with a welcoming small town feel. Surrounded by forests, rivers, and lakes, Capreol is a great place for outdoor adventures year-round. Whether you're here to learn about its past, enjoy the outdoors, or simply experience the charm of a railway town, Capreol offers a warm welcome and plenty to discover. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Capreol, Ontario.